Hey guys, let's crack the Morse code for today.
Beautiful people, it's time for us to get the Morse code again, okay? Quick one. And let's take this. And the code for today, the swap is the code for today. Swap. So it's S is going to be dot dot dot. Let's go. Dot dot dot. And W is going to be dot dash dash. Dot dash dash. A is going to be dot dash. Okay, and P, we do it before, let's do it again. Dot dash dash dot. Dot dash dash dot. Beautiful people, we have come to the end of this. See you on the next one. Bye and God bless.
To sign up now, click the link in the description or comment section.
For more updates, subscribe, follow, comment, like, repost, and share.